Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Akan Aska. So today, I have a project that is a math solving video project. And in this video, I will review some code what I already make with my friend, and then show to you what is the math solving. So maybe the first is, uh, Ari, do you know what is math solving? So maybe the solving is like you have a robot, and in that robot, you can play it with the remote control and others. But in that robot, there is like a sensor under the robot. There is a sensor, so like a tiny bit has a sensor to sensor under the tiny bits. I mean like beside the wheels like this. You can see on my mouse pointer in here there is like sensor to track or to follow the black line like in this image, like that. You control black line tracking like that. So and then in this video or in this project I will using the microbit because that is cheap or the safe this all of the code and then download to connect my microbit, and after that my microbit uh, will be transfer the data to the tiny bit, and because maybe you can see here in the on the tiny bit, above the tiny bit there is a microbit like that, and also the tiny bit will be sensor tiny bit will be detect the colors of the line, maybe because like a track basic solving usually like there's only black and white colors. You can see on my pointer, you can search on Google like track basic math solving like this, but usually the color of the line is black, and then so can to move the two section. So I will describe my code on this website. Do you know about this website? So maybe if you not yet to watching my last video, yes, maybe you can go to Chrome or Google, and you can search and like make code make code microbit org, yes, like this, and then this the website, and then you just press or enter to the website, and then you can make an account like this, an account my profile sign out, and after that maybe you can make a new project and then rename your project, and after that you can make a code from your logic, so like this. But in this uh, in this website, the first is a basic you can find on start, yes, on start, and after that this there is a variables you can search and then find it on the variables, and then you need to make first. So maybe the example is index, and then set enter or just press the OK button like that, and then there is function where you can get the function. So if you want to search the function in this all of the code or all of the page of the code, so you need to press this row advance, and then you can find it the function, and the function you can make a function this you can delete first do something sentence, and then for the example go right like this, and then just press done button or just enter like that, and then this is the point card control speed. So I can get this with the Tinybit page code. So car control speed run speed 150. Why I not with max? Because if I make a max, so maybe the Tinybit is cannot to detect the line with the perfect. So we just uh, I just add the speed with the balance, and then like this. If line sensor direct black state, so right state and value is black. This means black is black line, and then car control spin right. The wheel will be spin right, speed 155 like this. And then you just can duplicate and then put under that code, and then just uh, do same like before, but you just can make a different like this. This is the right, but this is the left, so it's make a balance, and this is the spin left. So we will be move the code from the function to the forever. So maybe you can see the forever is very a lot or very much. Yes, you can see that there is a lot of index. So on index, the first is you need to add the code from the logic. In the logic, you can see the if or the conditional. Yes, this conditional you can add, and then you can search the comparison. This can plug and plug and press to here, or plug and put to here, and then there is while, it is loops, and then there is mills. So mills you can get from the maybe wait more uh, this the mills we can get from the control. It's like a black black color. So while mills to to 6,000. Why this index 1 to 0 and then mills to 6,000? So maybe you know the track basic of the mesh solving. Maybe is line is like run, and then go to left, then go to left again, and then go to left again, and then go to right, like, and then others. So this line is not a perfect, like perfect always perfect, like the mesh solving is not perfect like centimeters or meters. It's maybe we need to always solve or fix it about the mills. So maybe you will be know about like this 6,000 and this 6,050 and this 80,000 and this 10,000 like that, and then this uh, almost almost uh, 20,000 like that. So move again, and then this set indexnya to 1. This always to set index to 2 3, so like that. So maybe the problem on this math solving project is maybe your Tinybit is have a problem because the sensor is very sensitive. So maybe you'll be like angry or others or anything because this mills. So you need to fix it the mills first. Yes, maybe you can think on this start to here to will be stop here. So maybe this is 7,000 mills. So you try first, and then if that failed or wrong, so maybe you need to mix. I mean you need to minus or plus the mix. Yes, like that until you can, or the robot can do uh, what's the name, turn left or turn right like that. Then the set index to 2, and then set mills to active, and then this do call maju. Where we can get the call maju, uh, call maju code. So maybe I will search first because I forgot. This is the function. Your function is call maju. So just you just take and then put it on the while do or the loops. Then set index to 3. And then while mills to active. And then do car control speed spin right to speed 100 to make the robot is not like not too much or it's very fast, to make it like a slow but it's perfect time. Set index to 4 and then else if index 4, then 10,000 and then do call maju, set index to 5 and then 5, set index 5 mills to 10,200, then this 2 line sensor direct state value is black line, so just follow the black line, that's mean. And then line sensor direct left state, because before is already right, and then you need to copy or just loop and to the left side to make a beverage black line. Then car control speed spin left to 100 and then set index to 6, else if 6 mills 12 30,000 and then call maju and set index to 7, else if index to 7 then mills 100, I mean 1250,000, 500 like that. So maybe you just like copy paste and then duplicate always, but you need to fix or just make it different from the mills and then the index. So don't forget to change the number of this index and then the mills like that. So maybe I'm sorry if I have many mistake on my work. So the conclusion is yes, if you want to make this code, so you need to have and track basic method thing. Maybe you can buy on the online or others, and then you need to have a tiny bit and also the micro bit, or bit like this image. You need to have a micro bit to save your data or code to transfer to the tiny bit, and then the tiny bit have an sensor under sensor, and then can to run or follow the black lines. And maybe you already know it because on the last project I have an like a project that is line follower. So the line follower is same from like a math solving, but the line follower is only like what's the name, yes, not have only a challenge, but this math solving is have more challenge like this. And so maybe that's all from me to this project. I'm sorry if I had mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
الهجرة رحلة هادينا حمل الإسلام